In this video, I'll show you how to turn off lens correction on iPhone camera. Now, doing this is actually very basic, and it really does not take too much time at all. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you want to hop inside of your settings application. Now, when you do that, you're basically going to come into this page. Now, what you want to do here is you basically want to scroll down until you see a little camera option, which is right here. So tap right into camera. And then the next thing you're going to want to do is you want to go and scroll down until you see a little option that says lens correction. So when you're on this page, all you're going to want to do here is you want to basically go ahead and turn this particular lens correction thing off. So now what's going to happen is that your lens distortion, or when it's distorted or whatever, whenever you're using the ultra-wide wide-angle camera, whatever one you're using, basically from now on, it's not going to switch in between. You know, now before it should have given you a little pop-up on the top, you can go and modify that with, but if you don't want to mess around with that either, you can just go through and just change it around here and turn off lens correction. If this tutorial was helpful, please let me know in the comments below this video, and for more helpful tutorials, you can check the links in the description.